Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable biometrics on Target account. So first, we're going to go to our Target app. As I told you, guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on My Target, found at the lower right corner of the app. Then next, we're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. So once you guys are here, we're going to scroll downwards until you find the Touch ID section. So since it's turned on, you're going to turn it off. So from now on, you're not going to use your biometrics to sign in. So this is not very much recommended because your security is going to be downgraded. So I recommend you guys turn this on, but this is how you turn it off. We also have a video on how to turn it on, so you guys could check it out as well. We also have different videos on our how to tutorial playlist, make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video, subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.